Welcome to our video, where I will show you how to reverse receding gums naturally. Let's get into it, shall we? If the soft tissue and bone that hold your teeth in place become infected, you could experience gum disease, periodontitis. If the infection is unchecked, the gums pull away from the teeth or recede. Conventional treatment for periodontal disease includes professional deep cleaning, also known as scaling and root planing, prescription antibacterial mouthwash, such as chlorhexidine, prescription antibiotic medication, a surgical procedure called a flap surgery to access the roots and possibly bone and tissue grafts. Alternatively, here are some proven methods to help reverse receding gums naturally. Number 1. Oil pulling. The Ayurvedic practice of oil pulling showed a reduction of plaque in individuals with gingivitis. To try oil pulling, swish a tablespoon of high-quality coconut oil around your mouth for about 20 minutes. This swishing pulls the oil between your teeth. Then spit the oil out, rinse your mouth with warm tap or saline water, and brush your teeth. The traditional oil to use for this technique is sesame oil, but a 2012 research on tooth decay from Athlone Institute of Technology indicates that coconut oil may prevent the Streptococcus mutans bacteria from damaging tooth enamel. Number 2. Eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is an anti-inflammatory germicide that may treat receding gums and stimulate the growth of new gum tissue. Number 3. Salt. For use as a bacterial agent and for soothing gum inflammation, trying a saltwater rinse could be effective. To do a salt rinse, thoroughly combine 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of warm water. Rinse your mouth with this saltwater mixture for 30 seconds. Spit out the rinse, don't swallow it. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a day. Number 4. Green tea. Drinking green tea can help promote healthy teeth and gums and may actually ward off disease. Try drinking 1 to 2 cups of green tea daily. Number 5. Peppermint essential oil. According to a 2013 article in the European Journal of Dentistry, peppermint oil can be effective in preventing the growth of disease-causing microorganisms in the mouth. Number 6. Tea tree essential oil. The European Journal of Dentistry concluded that tea tree oil can also be effective in preventing the growth of disease-causing microorganisms in the mouth. Number 7. Turmeric gel. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is recognized for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. According to a 2015 study, turmeric gel could possibly prevent plaque and gingivitis, which can contribute to receding gums. Number 8. Septolin. Septolin is a proprietary multi-herbal preparation of gugul, guduchi, licorice, and other compounds. A 2014 clinical trial published in the Journal of Periodontal Implant Science suggests that taking Septolin improves periodontal treatment outcomes. Septolin is available in both tablet and syrup form. The recommended dosage for adults is 2 tablets taken twice daily, or 2 teaspoons of syrup taken 3 times a day. Receding gums are relatively common. Aging and genetics can cause gum loss, even if you practice good oral hygiene habits. Talk with your dentist about using natural remedies and traditional treatment to help stop or slow down the process. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.